Hi folks, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well. Today in this video I'm going to show you the rig I have the GoPro on and how it's secured to the ground and all the components you need to make it. It weighs 451 grams in total. Let's show you how it's secured to the ground now. So I drilled a hole in each of the chicken's foot, Manfrotto chicken's foot, you can see there, and then I have a titanium stake that fits exactly in the hole with a bit of Dynaglide on the end of it so I can find it easily. I have a DCF ground sheet, set it up, put all the components on it and break it down bit by bit to give you a look. So these are all the components needed to make up the little rig. But my favourite part of in college doing my higher national diploma in television production operations is the grip end of it. So I am crazy about all the Manfrotto Avenger series. But anyway, this is why probably I like to modify everything I get. Something gets modified some way or other. So this is the ground sheet I'm using. It's the hammock gear and .com, and I have the titanium stake pins in it as well with some Dynaglide on it so I can see them easily, and I have that at each corner. Okay, so the components to make up the rig for the 451 grams without lighting is I have one of the small rig hawk locks, which goes on top of the Insta360. For the bottom part I have the Manfrotto, not too sure of the model number. The chicken's foot I attached to the 360 Insta360 pole, and then if I need lighting or if I need to secure it to the ground, this is the stake I use. It's a titanium stake and it fits perfectly into the holes that I drilled in each foot. For the lighting I have a Manfrotto Pico clamp, highly recommend them, they're really handy. And then I have a small rig mini ball head and the Ulanzi, I'm not sure the model number of it, but I'm not sure exactly the model number, but it's a fairly common one on Amazon, you can find it. So I hang it out of a mini beaner on the side of my pack, and then I took the foot into my pocket to stop it bopping about and keeps everything steady, stable and rattle free, which is the way I like it. This is how I carry my tripod rig set for the GoPro. The GoPro goes on here to the Peak Design clip with a cocktail stick jammed in the back of it. As I said, everything gets modified in some way or another. Then there's a hawk lock on the Peak Design, and then going down we have another hawk lock. I think it's a 3/8 or 1/4 inch adapter, and then the Insta360, so it just nicely nestles into the pocket and there's no rattles. I can just walk around freely without any rattles or anything like that. That's it there. New haircut, done it myself this morning. So that's the video for today folks. Thanks for watching and I'll catch us again in another video. Take care. Bye.